Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing today? This is Mr. Noland. I've been posting some videos lately about adding and subtracting integers. We did skill level. We did some word problems. Now we're going to have a little fun with this. We're actually going to do a adding and subtracting integer card war game. So it involves playing cards. So here we go. First of all, I have a couple rules. Red cards are going to be your negatives, so those are your negatives. Black cards will be your positive. So here's how this game works. You take a nice deck of cards. Nice little deck I have right here. I personally take out all the face cards. So I take out the jacks, the queens, the kings, and I obviously take out the jokers. So all I really want are cards ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now you can play this one of two ways. You can use the aces as ones, like I do, or you can use the aces as an 11. At starting out, I would use the ace as a 1 personally. So here's what's going to happen. You take your nice deck of cards and you shuffle them. And this is where you're playing against someone. So it's you versus someone right now. Alright, so I just got done shuffling terribly, but it's okay. So then we're going to put 2 cards face up. 1, 2. And now we're going to have to do the math. We just said red cards were negative and black cards were positive. So this is what we have. We have a negative 7 and a positive 3. And we're going to have to solve for it. So like on my previous video with skill level, let's see if we can solve it. Skill level here. Start out by separating each term. Well, it looks like I have 7 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have 3 positives. Sorry about that. 1, 2, 3. Now remember, the negative attitudes are attracted to the positive attitude with their googly eyes. They go on a date, and both attitudes zero out one another. So after I zero out all the positive attitudes and negative attitudes, after I zero them out, what am I left with? I'm left with a negative 4. So the answer for this question happens to be negative 4. Let's try another one. Let's say I have this one now. Ooh. Well, these are both now the same color. So I have a negative 4 and a negative 5. Again, start by separating out each term. So I have 4 people over here with negative attitudes. And I have another 5 people over here with a negative attitude. Well, if you look, what they all have in common is a negative attitude. And I have 9 of them. So there's your answer for that problem. Let's go ahead and do one more. Again, in this case, I'm going to use the ace as a 1. For this game, I'm going to use the ace as a 1. Well, we just said black cards are positive. So this is a positive 1. And this is a positive 9. Well, we can just do some math here, guys. What's 1 plus 9? That's correct. It's 10. Once y'all get really good at playing this game, I would make it a little harder. If you want to add in the jacks, the queens, and the kings, you can make the jacks 12s. You can make the queens 13s and the kings 14s. But this is a nice little fun game. It's really not about winning or losing. So if you happen to be beating someone, don't throw it in their face. Don't rub it in their face. This is just really practice. It's a fun way of practicing without having to do pencil and paper. If you ever have any questions on this game, please just send me an email or reminds, and I can go over the rules and make another video for you. I hope this game helps. Again, all you really need is a deck of cards, and you can have a lot of fun practicing with your child at home in a game-style type atmosphere. Alright, y'all have a good day. Bye.